Hello everybody. Hope you guys are all doing great. Welcome back to the course. This is going to be the final part of our mini e-commerce tutorial series on how to integrate our CVB e-commerce AI chatbot with shipping companies like UPS, FedEx, US Post Office, and many others. All right. So we've already done all the settings. We've connected everything. And now we need to test it out to make sure that everything is flowing the way it's supposed to flow. Okay. So we have this software here, a website that's called shippo.com. And what Shippo is going to do is that once an order comes in from our chatbot, right? Shippo is going to grab the shipping information for the order, okay? And Shippo acts like a middleman for us between us and the shipping company. So Shippo is going to check to see what's the best deal out there for this order, right? So you can see what's happening here. Shippo is checking with UPS. Shippo will check, and give us different kinds of options. If we want something priority, Shippo will check with all these shipping companies, right? The nice thing is that we do not have to create any API connection, okay, with all these shipping companies. We don't need to do that. Shippo is doing all the hard work for us. Okay, so all we need to do is get the customer's shipping information from the chatbot to Shippo, and Shippo will check all these shipping companies and find us the best deal, and then we can select the best deal. And once we have selected the deal that we want, okay, in this case we have UPS ground, which is going to be about close to $6, right? We can now go ahead and buy the shipping label for this order, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a test order, all right? And then we're going to just check and make sure everything is right, the right information came through, okay? And then we're going to buy a shipping label, all right? We're also going to check for tracking information, okay? Another cool thing that Shippo does is that Shippo will send email to the customer. So it's very important that we collect email from the customer, okay, during checkout, okay, because Shippo is going to send tracking information to the customer so they know exactly where their product is at any given time before it gets to their door. All right, we're going to also test the prompt out and a few other things. Okay, so just join me and let's test this thing out and see how it goes. So I have my store open up here. This is just for demo purposes, so just bear with me. I have car gadgets here. Okay, we got like exterior, something for the exterior. We got this car door handles. Okay, we got like car fender protector. We have some key holders over here. Let's just say we want to buy a bunch of, let's choose maybe like blue, pack of 3. Okay, I'm gonna add that to cart. Okay, and then let me go ahead and check this out. Okay, now bear with me. Let me enter. Let me go ahead and enter my info real quick. All right, just bear with me. I may have to speed up this part of the video. Okay, so I have my payment information entered. All right, let me check and make sure everything is right, and I believe it is. Okay, so let me go ahead and pay. So as soon as I make the payment, all right, we should expect the shipping information for the customer to show up right here in Shippo. All right. And then we can check and see what the best rate for shipping for this order will be. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit pay. Okay. And then here it says thank you for your order. Okay. All right. Great. Okay, so the order went through, and in a moment, I'm going to go ahead and refresh Shippo right here and see if it came through here. The order information came through here. Let me go ahead and refresh this. See if it came through. Sometimes we may have to give it a minute. Let's see. There we go. All right, it's in right here. Okay, so that's me right here. I just ordered this. Let me go ahead and pull out the information so we can match and make sure that everything matches. Okay, so you can see up here we have the order number. The last 4 digits of the order number is 4426. Okay, it's matching right over here. That's beautiful. First 4 is 7273. Okay, that's it. That's what we ordered. Okay, the name matches well. Okay, and then we have the address information. We got email. That's good. Okay, we ordered a key holder right here. Okay. All right, so everything is looking good. The order came through successfully. Okay, and right over here you can see that Shippo is recommending this. Okay, because in my settings area I have it set to UPS by default. However, I can change my mind, right? I can click right here and Shippo is gonna check out different options from different shipping companies, right? So if I want to go with US Post Office Ground, I can go with this one right here, Advantage Ground Advantage, which is $5.68. It's a little bit cheaper, so I could go ahead and switch right there. Okay, so that's the cool thing with Shippo. Shippo does the hard work for us. We don't need any API connection with US Post Office and all these other guys. Shippo does the hard work, right? So after I have this set up this way, now I can do two things, right? I could print a packaging slip, right? I could click right here where it says download packaging slip. Okay, I could click right there and I have my packaging slip right here. So this is the slip that is going to go inside of the package. Okay, and then after I have this printed out, I could just click this to print out. I'll print it at the end of the video. Okay, so by you just click here and print out. Okay, so after I have the packaging slip, I can go ahead and buy. Okay, so maybe we can switch back to UPS for now. UPS Ground. Okay, I can now go ahead and buy my shipping label. Okay, so over here when I click buy, I already have my shipping label selected, so I can click next. Okay, so I have the option to add insurance. Okay, if you don't want to do that, that's cool. You can go ahead and buy the label. Now, as soon as I buy the label, okay, the customer is going to receive an email that will have tracking information for the order. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and buy this real quick. Okay. All right, so over here you can see that I have my shipping label ready. Okay, and then I also have my packaging slip. Okay, so I think the email probably just came through. I could click right here, and then that's the shipping label. This label goes on top of the box, okay, that I'm using, or the envelope that I'm going to be using to mail this out. So this goes to the top of it. So now UPS has technically received information about this client. Okay, let me rotate this real quick. UPS now has information about this client. Okay, you see how we were able to send information to UPS without having to build any API stuff, right? Shippo did all the hard work. Okay, and then check this out. I'm gonna go ahead, let me refresh this real quick and see. Over here we can see that an email has been sent to the customer, right? You can see right here it says Car Gadget Store. Okay, that's the name right here. That's the store name, right? So Car Gadget Store, once we click over here, you see right there, the customer has gotten tracking information. You see right here, UPS has generated a tracking number. So this is how, or what I should say, one way the customer can track their order, right? Since the order was just created, the shipping label was just created, there is not enough information here. Okay, it was just created. So the customer will be able to track their package using this email right here. All right, that's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so we have our packaging slip. This goes inside of the package, and this goes on the outside of the package. So once you have your package all wrapped up and everything is ready to go, you can decide to schedule with UPS. You don't even have to go to UPS to drop it off. If you want to do that, that's cool. But you can have the driver come to your store or maybe to your home and they can pick it up. All right, makes things very, very easy for you. Okay, let's go ahead and check out. Let me see. Let me test out the prompt a little bit, because another way that the customer can check their tracking information is that they can ask the bot. Okay, so let's say they can ask a question like, I want, let's say maybe a week has passed, right, since they ordered, and they don't have information about their, they don't know where their package is, or their package is delaying. They can come in and ask the bot, I want to know, where my package is, please. Okay, so once they ask the bot, right there, our function is going to pull up and it's going to tell them two ways they can check for their package, right? One is to click the button over here, and then it's going to open up a page, okay, right over here. Okay, so this is pretty much like a general package tracking website. You can use a different one. Okay, so over here we're going to tell them to go to their email, right, and go copy the tracking number. Okay, just for security reasons, right? They need to check their email, copy the tracking number, and then paste that tracking number right inside here. Okay, and then they will be able to see what's going on with their package. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this, check the video tutorial series and watch the all the series, and it will show you how to set all these things up. Okay, for those of you that have not yet joined my course, I invite you to join the course. There are so many powerful things you can learn in this course. So come on in, join it, and I'm on a mission to create the best AI course out there for you. All right. So come in and join us, and let's do this. Let's create amazing AI chatbot. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.